Today we are going to take this old Edelbrock Torquer 2 big block oval port manifold, and we're going to make this old crusty, busted up, nasty looking, patent number. We're going to see if we make this look like new. We're going to take the scraper here to it real quick, get all this old gunk out of here, because the blasting cabinet does not like silicone. Anything you can knock off now, the better, because it just cleans up better in the blast cabinet. Now we need to chase threads. This is what she is. She's thread chaser kit. There we go. And this is a thread cleaner kit, not a tap and die kit. All right. Okay, all the threads chased, all the corners are scraped, so we're pretty clean inside and outside. Let's get in the blaster and I'll bring it back after the blasting. There you go. She's blasted and she turned out pretty good. Now we know that everything that's got threads in it are all good. They're all checked. They're all cleaned. She's blasted. Got all the crud off, except for a little. Or a car, or whatever. So it's going to get dirty. So, what's next? What's next is this. This clear coat. So that's what we're going to paint this with. We're going to paint it with clear coat. 2 nice little coats. And call her good. But as I'm sure you know at this point, don't touch it. Don't touch the surface that you're going to paint or clear. All right. All right. We're going to shoot on cardboard. And why cardboard? So you don't have to grab hold of it. You can spin it just like that. So we're just going to give her a coat. And this is just regular clear. That's all this is. This is just clear. This is just to keep it from looking nasty in the future. Now, this ain't chrome. This is just clear. There's a difference. This is just keep it where all the old grit and grime, it'll just basically just wash off. It won't stick into the, the texture of the aluminum. Because once they get old, there's no way to bring them back except to polish them. And we're not doing that. We're not polishing. We're just putting a clear on it. See, and like I said, with cardboard, makes it real easy. Just to spin around and get it where you want her. All right. And this takes a little bit of time for it to dry. So we're probably going to go 2 coats of this. Get this back here and see, that's when you can spin it. You can get around different angles and you can see things you missed. All right, so we're going to let that tack up and cure for about an hour, and then we'll come back and do the second coat and let it sit overnight and just leave it be. Just think about where you want it to look the prettiest. This is 2 days, letting it cure. All right, 2 coats. And she's ready to go. She really turned out nice. Like I said, with the clear, You can get dirt on it, grease on it, oil on it. It won't get in the pores. It'll wash right off, wipe right off. Like this, it'll look like this for years to come. Now, it may darken a little bit over the time, but for years and years, this is going to look great. That's how you do it, and it's going to look good for years. So if you want to see my best little video ever made, right here. If you want to see the one that they say is best for you, is right there. Y'all be good.